guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Angel. And for today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a fox eye makeup look. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and follow all my social accounts so you'll be notified and updated for my next video. So with no further ado, let's get into the video. We all know na sobrang trending ng fox eye makeup look. And I think nag-start yun kay Kendall Jenner and kay Bella Hadid. At kahit sa TikTok, merong mga tutorials how to do a fox eye makeup look. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a fox eye makeup look. For my primer, I'm going to use this Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser. For foundation, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Liquid Foundation in the shade 128 Warm. For concealer, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 27. Then, let's move on with eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use Etude House Drawing Eyebrow in the shade Dark Brown. Conceal it. Same concealer, Maybelline. I'm done with my eyebrows, and let's move sa pag-bake. For baking powder, I'm going to use this Nichido final powder in the shade Creamy Glow. I'm going to conceal first my eye. So I'm going to brush off na yung powder. Before pala mag-start sa eyes, maglalagay muna ako ng tape. Hindi social yung tape ko, or hindi siya fancy tape. But meron lang ako ditong masking. Gawin natin dito. So, inalagay ko na yung tape. So, we're going to start sa light shade muna na eyeshadow. And I'm going to use this Colourpop Disney Collection. I'm using this kind of brush. And I'm going to use the shade first na Eyebrow. And I'm going to use a clean brush to blend it. I'm going to use a darker shade. Dito natin ilalagay. I'm going to use this And I'm going to use a black eyeshadow. Then, maglalagay tayo here. So, hindi tayo maglalagay dito. I'm going to smudge it with this kind of brush. To blend it dun sa kaninang shade, yung pinakauna. Then, after nun, maglalagay tayo ng light powder here. So, we're going to move on sa tricky na part. Actually, ito, tinry ko na siya last time. Like, ulit-ulit ko siyang tinatry kasi mahirap talaga siya sa una. So, kailangan ko talagang i-master. But, nung nakuha ko na yung trick, ayun, mas madali na siya. Ang trick lang naman dito is susundan natin yung sa may eyes natin mismo. Iko-connect lang natin siya here. Para magmukha talaga tayong fox. And I'm going to use this black eyeshadow to connect. So, ako magsa-start. And I'm going to connect it. Ayan, tinapos ko na pala yung sa may kabila kong eye kasi nahirapan talaga ako kanina. But yan, tapos na. And grabe, ang hirap talaga niya i-perfect. But ngayon, medyo okay naman. And kailangan lang natin i-intense na konti. Kaya medyo sumingkit na ako. Yung malaki kong mata, wala na. Then, I'm just going to put a little shimmer sa eyes ko. So, yung kay Bella Hadid, meron siyang shimmers na konti. So, para mas mukhang intense na intense yung eyes natin, yung false eyelashes natin, dapat sa dulo yung may mahaba para super duper intense siya, pataas talaga siya. I'll be back for my false eyelashes. So, I am done with my false eyelashes. So, yung ginawa ko sa falsies ko, kinat ko na lang siya sa may, hindi naman siya gitnang-gitna, but kinat ko siya. Tapos yung dulo lang yung linagyan ko ng falsies para mas intense. So, I'm just going to finish my eye. So, I am done with my eye makeup. Super naging singkit na ako. Hindi naman malaki yung mata ko. So, we're going to move on with our face. For contour, I'm going to use this e.l.f. contour palette. Dapat intense din yung contour para sabay-sabay yung mata at saka yung contour na maging pak. dapat pataas pala, not here. Not going to put here. Dapat pataas siya. So for highlights, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighter, my favorite, in the shade Precious Petals. For my lips, I'm going to use this BLK All Day Intense Matte Lipstick in the shade Chic. And also, I'm going to top it off with the Focallure lip gloss in the shade Amber. Yung nasa taas is the Focallure lip gloss, and yung nasa baba niya is the BLK All Day Intense in the shade Chic. So, yung sa BLK, I'm just going to top lang. Just going to top. Going to top it off with the Focallure. And finally, for setting spray, I'm going to use this Bench Organic Aloe Face and Body Mist. So here's the final look. I'm just going to fix my hair and I'm going to show you the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and I hope na-enjoy nyo yung look ko for today. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down all your requests and suggestions for my next videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!